Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by specifying the headshot envelope and why precision matters, target diameter, typical engagement distance, and allowed motion. First, set a dedicated space and lock down lighting and background to reduce visual noise. Then calibrate your input devices or camera so repeatable measurements are possible. This prevents drift in training data. Once those basics are fixed, create a single controlled target template and record a short baseline of 50-100 attempts to measure initial accuracy. Now progress into structured practice. Sequence drills from static to dynamic to force consistent headshot acquisition. Implement predictable paths first so you can tune timing, then add jitter and random spawns to generalize performance. Adjust difficulty incrementally by shrinking target size, increasing speed, or introducing brief occlusions. This teaches micro-adjustments. Simultaneously record detailed logs per attempt, position, frame index, and success so you can analyze trends. Make sure to iterate drills based on that data. Small tweaks compound into reliable gains. To finish, validate with a controlled test set of varied trials and compute clear metrics like precision and consistency. This quantifies improvement. Implement automated feedback, real-time scoring, hit heat maps, and slow motion replays, so you and any trainees can immediately correct technique. If results stall, isolate a single variable at a time. Recalibrate sensors, check lighting, or revert target parameters to baseline. One key troubleshooting tip. If accuracy drops suddenly, rerun the baseline calibration and inspect logs for hardware jitter or software timing issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.